Can I invite Jose, Tanmay, Baba Saigal, and of course BuzzFeed, which has become a part of our pop culture and curating some of these fun experiences. So Rekha from BuzzFeed is going to moderate this session.
Hello. I have no idea how I'm supposed to keep things moderate with this crew on stage. But Pratiksha, thank you so much for the intro. None of these men needs any introduction at all, and I don't want to waste time because when are you going to see this collection of people sitting together? So let's get right into it. Mr. Saigal, I'd like to start with you, sir.
Yes.
So you, sir, are a legend, right? You've had an entire career.
Saigal Baba ka Aashirwad.
Made it. I got what I came from. You've had a, massive career off the internet, and you've written, you've composed, you've been in movies, you're on TV. It's a little intimidating, and now you're online. So please talk to us about how the internet is different from everything else you've done. Is it better? Is it worse? You're still rapping now. It's on Twitter.
Yeah, I'm still rapping. Thank you so much for a lovely introduction, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. There are no boys and girls here. Yeah. But yes, like my career started, of course, almost more than 2 decades ago, and there was no internet then. And I always believed there's a will, there's a way, jahan chah, wahan raah, and you can always make your way. But yes, internet played a very, very important role for the revival or whatever you want to say, because not many people know that I've been doing a lot of South work for the last 8-9 years, Telugu, Tamil, being a Punjabi, hardcore Punjabi, and I'm doing a lot of films there. But yes, with the advent of Twitter, I must thank Twitter, and with the advent of these gentlemen, with these guys, Jose and Tanmay, I think he's more instrumental in my career on Twitter, actually. Jose, am I right?
We've been drinking.
Light-hearted conversation, actually, and I did a song a couple of years ago called Praji Kunjam Kunjam Control, and Jose rammed it completely, and that was trending on Twitter. Somebody called me on phone, and I said, I'm a very simple guy, and I always believe that simplicity you always sell. Somebody told me that, Baba, you are trending. So I said, trending? What is trending? Where am I trending? So then you're trending on Twitter, because I just had opened an account, and somebody else had opened an account for me, because I was on Facebook and other things. But then I opened, then my views on this video was some 30,000 in a span of almost 3-4 hours, and everybody talking about me, "Hey takle, hey bald, hey takle, hey bald." I said, I found, because see, this is very encouraging. All these negative comments in life and all this negativity gives you a lot of positivity to move ahead in life, and that too at an era, we don't belong to that era actually. And I'm sorry, it's a little bit of more preaching than these guys of that today's era will take over. And so that's it. So that's how I just tweeted one during the IPL matches a couple of years ago that Gale is like a whale. And I got some 45 RTs. I said, whale is like a Gale, you're getting 45 RTs on that? What? Then I conceived a thought कि life जियो moment के लिए, प्यार करो sentiment के लिए, काम करो payment के लिए. So that's how the thing started. Or I wrote something which I heard it yesterday in Comedy Nights with Couple, with a lot of people copied that कि blood donate करने से पहले blood group जांचना, बसंतीन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना. So that's how my thing started. I used it quite nicely, and I'm still using it. So in fact my Bollywood career in terms of non-film, which we call indie pop, actually I am thankful to Twitter for that. Thank you so much.
I just feel like every time he's done talking, he should drop the mic and walk away.
But he's absolutely right. People will retweet anything.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Yeah, Rekha.
So, sir, you touched a little bit on, the kind of negativity you get, which seems to be mostly
No, that is not a negativity. I'm saying for people who think it's a negativity. Like if somebody called me Takla, when you enter a building, some small kids playing, "Hey, Takle uncle ja rahe le." So obviously, see, you have shaved and you're a Takla only, na? So you can't see. Yeah. At least I'm much better with guys like we were talking in the cozy room behind. that you travel and you meet a lot of these, I'm sorry, a lot of these corporate guys and with their paunch and with no hair sometimes and eating and drinking whatever. Sir, हम बचपन में आपके गाने सुना करते थे. Then I look at them, ये बचपन में साला, तुम बचपन में और मैं कहाँ पर? So that's also, this thing gives, you want to see.
Pause for applause. Pause.
So it's like Mulayam ya Lalu, Twitter 24 hours chalu. So that's it.
Very true. So, Tanmay, I don't know if you can live up to that.
No, there's no way anyone
There's no
should
way.
follow
So both
that.
of you just give up right now.
I'm leaving in 5 minutes.
I'm done. I'm through now. I'm through.
Please no, sir. Please. So Mr. Sehgal touched a little bit on the kind of negativity he gets.
Yeah, his kindness, like if someone points at him and says, "Hey, gentleman with fully grown hair on your head," then that's offensive to him, I suppose.
But since this panel is about creating on Twitter, and that's something the two of you have sort of done for a long time, you've created for the internet. And Twitter specifically is a very intense feedback loop. You can't put anything out without 2 seconds later someone telling you to kill yourself or whatever it is.
Yeah, it's like being in a room with your family and they all talk to you.
And they're all drunk.
Yeah. You suck. You're terrible at what you do. Please stop.
So in terms of specifically creating for Twitter, has the sort of real-time feedback changed your work? Has it changed the kind of thing you put out?
I don't know. Yes and no, because you're right. People respond instantly. Like you post a picture of your niece or your nephew, and immediately somebody that your niece is really ugly. Like, excuse me.
But she is. You should know that.
Yeah,
She
I
is.
know.
She's an
Like, I don't know you personally. Why are you saying this to me? So I think that instant feedback sometimes can be a little over familiar, but at the same time, I think it's fantastic. There's no other medium that gives you instant feedback exactly like that, and you're like, oh, somebody abused me today. Fantastic. Oh, yes.
See, it's rather convenient. Like when someone tells you you're amazing, this platform is amazing.
Yeah.
It helps you connect with fans. And the second someone's like, hey, Mote, go away. Or you're like, this platform.
There's so much hate.
So much hate on
I
this
can't deal with
platform.
this.
It's very convenient. Like, but yeah, it's a bit of both. Like, what's great right now, I mean, my whole career is built on Twitter. Like, I wouldn't have a career without it. The problem arises when you start thinking as an artist. When you start thinking of the feedback primarily, that's when the problem arises. But yeah, it's.
I think it's best to tweet something and then just shut your phone off.
Yeah.
And come back after a couple of days so you're not immediately upset.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
I think you can only take like when I read his timeline, I like to consume it in doses. Like you can't go through 10. You should go through 3, and then that's it. Then you take a week's break,
It's
go
like-
to Manali and come back, and then enjoy the next 3 like the next week. You need to enjoy the internet and let
But
the
you don't
internet.
RT it, यार तन्मय, come on.
Sir-
RT करेगा तो मेरे follower बढ़ेंगे ना.
So he's not following you, he's going to follow
RT
you.
नहीं करते,
सर मेरे टाइमलाइन पे आपका ट्वीट आ जाएगा.
सर जो आपके मैं बचपन से मैं आपको देखता आ रहा हूँ सर. सर मैंने आपको बोला ना अंदर कोजी रूम में
जी।
जितना हमने सीखा जो गाली गलौज बोलते हैं ना आप
जी।
ही से सीखा सर.
बचपन से ही सर.
बचपन
जी
से.
बिल्कुल. सर मैं आपको आरटी करने की कोशिश करता हूँ पर ट्विटर पे मुझे बोलते हैं तेरी औकात नहीं है बाबा साइकिल को आरटी करने की. प्लीज चुप बैठ और फालतू जोक लिख.
So, Jose, I was talking you earlier this morning.
I know.
That was my research.
I got
for
some
this.
notifications. There was a favorite.
I'm sure you
At
did.
4 in the morning.
So I'm very into your Twitter bio.
Okay.
Which if any of you don't know, the gist of Jose's bio is essentially you clicked on my profile. If you are offended, it's not my fault. I didn't ask you to click here. Please go file a complaint against yourself. It's
Yeah.
amazing. The logic here is amazing.
Yeah, because it's not like radio or television where they switch it on and then they're like, oh my god, a naked person, and then they don't know what to do. Then you're totally valid. You can go to the police and say I was watching Doordarshan, and I don't know what happened. My kids are asking me what those things are. It goes crazy. So in that sense, yeah.
So this concept of offense, though, is something we've talked about in the cozy room.
I had done that as a reaction actually to what happened with the roast.
Oh,
Yeah.
I have not had this discussion with anyone at all over the last 6 months. This is a new
The cozy
discussion
room.
for me.
Because essentially, like, has it changed? There's something we've discussed a lot. Twitter is an amazing space because you get feedback, you get to collaborate with people you would never have met. It's also sometimes a little bit of a silencing space because it's so polarized and people are very quick to sort of tell
Yeah.
you to shut the hell up and get offended. This concept of taking offense.
But I also think it's equal in a sense where if somebody is offended and they abuse you, you can always counter them.
Sure.
the silencing happens when there's hordes of people who then jump on you and just start telling you about your shoes and the way you dress when they don't have a point or whatever it is. So I think in that sense, it's definitely an equal space, but it also makes it that much more aggressive because it is so equal. So anybody can say whatever the hell they want because they're like, yeah, I have my freedom of speech. You're an asshole.
Right. And
I just never knew before Twitter that eggs can be this aggressive in life. I was just like, eggs are so nice and sweet, and suddenly in my life I realized, wow, eggs turn out to be assholes way more often than I thought.
And Jose, you've sort of like stood your ground. You still write open letters. You do some like borderline activist-y stuff.
I shouldn't have done that, but yeah.
Do you regret it?
Yes, I regret it very much. I should never. Wrote that open letter and then I got a whole bunch of calls. The thing with open letters is you write one and then you have to write 10 more explaining what you were talking about in that first open letter. So I'm like, to hell with that. I just stick post-its on my wall now and then I smile at myself.
I mean, what I'm getting at is I think for a lot of creative people online, you at some point make a choice. Like, am I going to have opinions or am I just going to do my art and sort of put it out here?
I think that is the most time consuming is when you put an opinion out and then you spend 3 days explaining to people about, no, I was not being sexist. I love everyone and, I mean, it's such sometimes you have to choose whether you want to waste that time. I have gotten into arguments with people where I think at one point somebody told Sonakshi Sinha that her forehead is really large. Fine. I mean, that's cool. Her forehead is better looking than my entire body. But so I decided to take this guy on and I said, hey, I mean, that's not cool. And instead of just sending him a message, I sort of like tweeted it from my account. Then more people started harassing him. Then I felt bad and I deleted it. But then a week had gone by. And I was like, I haven't done any housework. I haven't taken the kachra out. I'm talking to this guy the whole night, trying to explain that I'm a good person. I just tweeted that to you, but I'm a good person. So sometimes it's a waste of time, but you have to choose, I guess.
And so what about you? Your timeline is mostly amazing rap
What did he
rhymes.
say? Sir.
So, yes.
Unka aap naam le rahe ho, you can
So
call me
you are-
Baba. Baba is very universal name. Baba is a small kid. Baba is uncle. Baba is grandfather. So you can call
Can I
me
call
Baba.
you Mr. Baba?
Yeah, no, Baba. Call me Baba.
Baba
That's it.
Ganush.
Yes, ma'am, Rekha. Or ma'am,
So
Rekha.
your timeline is quite different from these two idiots in that they constantly are getting in fights with people and this and that, and you are sort of content making rhymes and raps, which are incredible.
See, when you're a wordsmith, you don't have time for any of these things.
Wait, one sec.
See, these guys are legends on their own. Actually, you must give them a big round of applause because Twitter and all these social networking sites are made popular because of these guys. I'm not flattering,
I
guys.
think you're mistaking
I
us
mean
for
it.
somebody else.
No.
I'm really confused who you're talking about.
Also,
अपन का जो दिमाग है ना.
sir, in the Twitter app, there's one mentions button. Have you seen
See,
that?
I'm very clear about my handle. Obviously, that people actually who get a little abusive sometimes and they start. I don't get into any arguments. I simply block them. Then suddenly their friends start telling me, sir, please unblock him. So then, क्या proof है next time he's not going to abuse or be detrimental to my health. So he says, no, please sir. Then once I unblock them, I unblocked a couple of them and they're very, very happy, sir. आपके चरण धो के पिएंगे and all that stuff. Twitter actually has made a lot of careers and on a serious note. And of course, like what Tanmay said right now, that yes, it had boosted his career, obviously Jose's career is always boosted through MTV. हम लोग तो जो लोग हैं, obviously indie pop is basically non-film music. Indie pop music is a pop music, not from now for so many years. 2000, I think it ended, the entire scene of indie pop
I
ended.
feel like I should beatbox every time he talks.
Do it, please.
Sir, beat पे बात करते हैं.
All right, थोड़ा चलो beat करते हैं, थोड़ा rapping करते हैं. Everybody come inside, shake the room. I must tell you something on a very serious note. ये beat नहीं है, थोड़ा beat fast करेंगे. I'll tell you.
Okay.
I'll tell you how. I must tell you, it's a very good platform to convey one beautiful thing. That rapping. A lot of people say hip hop and rap and all, but actually hip hop and rap, they are one actually. Hip hop actually is the hardware and rap is the software. Means singing is rapping and the music beat. It could be bhangra, it could be hip hop in a different way. It could be reggae, it could be R&B, it can be jazz, it can be blues, anything. But it has not been yet explode in a big way in India. I'm sorry, I'm saying this, but yes, you know why? lot of rappers here today, everywhere in India, they talk about themselves, they talk about their cars, they talk about their horses, they talk about jithe main janna utthe banduka chal jandiyan ne, jithe main janna utthe kudiyan aa jandiyan ne. So I don't think so. So I use this platform actually to get comedy, to get love back, what happens actually in America. Because rap started in America in 1977, and I'm not saying that I'm a rapper, but yes, I'm a dedicated rapper, I'm a very passionate rapper, so that's why I owe my career once again to Twitter. Zordar Taaliyan.
T-Town represent!
Yeah.
Everybody come inside, shake the room. I wanna see the bridegroom with the broom. Koi maza nahi bulao, granny ko. Apne friend USA ke manny ko. Light thori dim karo. Apni muchha thori trim karo. Thoda balle rock, thoda disco. Come on, Papa Ji, zara khisko. It's one big time, it's a big time. Rise with Twitter on the line. It's one big time, it's a big time. Rise with Twitter on the line, yeah.
This doesn't fit in 140 characters, unfortunately.
Yeah, no.
He's going to periscope it.
Sir, have you considered joining
Hey, yaar,
Periscope?
what sir? Every time sir.
Okay, sorry,
Call me
Mr. Baba Ji.
No, Ji. Acha, I must correct you. Baba Ji
Sehgal
actually
sir.
sounds like a chowkidar. Baba Ji, jara gate band kar do. So Baba is so like, you can say Sehgal Baba.
Okay, Sehgal Baba,
Haan.
sir. Have you heard of Periscope? Have you considered joining it?
Very soon.
Okay.
Very soon. I'm going to take over Periscope.
Tanmay, I know you have some thoughts.
I love Periscope. I just wish, over due time, it'll obviously get way better. Periscope is a great way, unlike Twitter, Periscope is a fantastic way where people can abuse you real time. Which is, like, they can abuse you to your face. What Twitter was like, people aren't getting abused enough via text. Let's do it directly to their faces.
Are you not satisfied?
Yeah.
You come to Periscope.
It's amazing. Periscope is fantastic for that reason. Where as soon as I put Periscope on, I'm reminded by Periscope and via people about how ugly I am, etc., etc. It's a real-time feedback, as they call it. So yeah, Periscope is fantastic. People are able to text. People Periscope all kinds of stuff. Like one of the most popular Periscopes I found every time I log on is these bunch of girls in bikinis at the swimming pool. Have you seen this? I forget what their names are, but every day at like a particular time, there's a bunch of girls at a swimming pool, and it's just Londas on the Twitter, like Indian Londa also I've seen. Maste bhai, just commenting, and these Spanish girls have no idea what they're doing, and just Indian like, ye wali maste hai, wo wali bhi bhari hai. It's great. It's bridging cultural gaps, guys. Please don't laugh. It's a fantastic tool.
Thank you, Twitter. On a serious note, both of you are on multiple platforms, right? You are on Instagram and Snapchat and Periscope.
Yeah, it's becoming
and
too
Twitter.
much.
I'm sick of it.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
And at some point, you're going to run out of time to sort of keep all these alive. And I had a conversation with a different YouTuber a few months ago where I was like, where's the line? You wake up and you're vlogging and you're Snapchatting and you're Instagram videoing. Where's the sort of barrier between you as a commodity on the internet and you, human being? And is that something you've sort of thought about? Is Twitter ruining your life? Is essentially what
Absolutely,
I'm asking you.
definitely.
Amazing.
I'm always late to everything because
Yeah.
instead of the breakfast is getting cold, the water's hot but you've not had a bath. The newspapers are rotting on the side because you're reading it off Twitter, whatever. So
I was late to this because I wanted to lie in bed and check my timeline
Yeah,
a bit
yeah.
longer.
I used to sleep at 12 in the night. Now it's like 4 o'clock because so many mentions and so much of abuse. I mean, it takes time to go through everything and respond to everyone individually also.
Yeah. I just think Twitter, the amount of influence Twitter has, even though we discuss it a lot, I sometimes find it amazing.
Yeah.
Because literally what happens is that mainstream English media journalists, they're on Twitter, right? So whatever the big news event is, mainstream English journalists are what pick them up. Then the Hindi journalists pick what the English journalists are talking about. So I've always, I've been telling the guys at office that I've always wanted to just experiment with it. Like if we trend farts are amazing, I want Barkha and Arnab to do a show on farts are amazing. Then I want Deepak Chaurasia to follow it up in the evening.
Today
Like,
on
that's
the
it.
news,
Yeah,
thoughts
yeah.
are amazing. Hashtag times now.
Yeah, and then Alec Padamsi is there giving, I've stopped farting in 1984 or whatever it is. And you have, I just think that the influence of Twitter is, it's not only dangerous, but it's also amazing. Like, literally whatever's happening on Twitter on that day is what gets picked up by English media, and then Hindi media follows it, and then it becomes a circle. So yeah, we should. I think Twitter needs to start experimenting with that. That's all. Those are my views. I wish I could rap. Moving on.
Fart is heavy on your heart.
Yeah.
Correct, sir. True. And sir, media loves your Twitter also. I have seen and
You think so?
personally made
You really think so?
several lists of your best tweets and your best rhymes and your best online raps. Is that something you're conscious of, or you're just doing your thing?
I just do it actually because it's a stress buster. Twitter actually is a stress buster. Like he said, right now I don't know about Periscope that it is a real thing, but now it's a little distant actually. People, read my tweets and they react. People who react suddenly, they write, very good sir, ye purana hai, thakela hai and all that stuff.
That's what. Do you maintain quality? Like, do you ever sit down and go like, car ke saath bar mein kitne baar rhyme karunga? Like, I need to find.
Yeah, sometimes I RT my own tweets. Sometimes I'm
Do you have a separate
I'll tell you
Baba
something.
Sehgal fan club? Whose
Nobody
president you
knows
are?
about this actually. Sometimes I run short of words and run short of my rhymes and run short of my shairis, people call it, one line shairis. What I do on Google, I said Baba Sehgal. Then I remember ki Kaka. Kaka means Rajesh Khanna ji. Kaka tweet. Then I say, okay, people say cheers after beers and Kaka told Pushpa, I hate tears.
Oh.
So in fact, today morning, today is 15 years of Abhishek Bachchan celebration. So I thought of writing ki congratulations on completing 15 years. Kaka told Pushpa, I hate tears. But then I wrote like more and more happy new years for you. So it rhymes. Sometimes you fall short of words and you have to go back to Google, find it, and interpret and play with the words.
It's the Baba process.
Yes, this is
The process of Baba.
You heard it
Take
first.
notes,
Yeah.
guys.
This is how it's done over here.
Yeah.
चिकन यूं पकाओ कि कच्चा ना हो, चिकन यूं पकाओ कि कच्चा ना हो, मोहब्बत यूं निभाओ कि बच्चा ना हो.
Wow.
Sir, एक separate account बना लो इसके लिए. Awesome.
You should have a separate like Baba test tweets. Like these are tweets that didn't quite rhyme there. Like
Outtake.
So, like I was saying earlier, you sort of you had a huge, expansive, very successful career, and then you joined Twitter and YouTube and whatnot. So why did you do it? What was
Why means
What
why?
was the
Why did you
process?
do it? Why did he do it? It's like for
we
everyone.
did it to sort of get established.
No. Yes, we even see every time you're getting established in life. Not that you did it. So gone are the days you talk about thanda thanda pani, talk about Aja Meri Gaadi mein baith ja. Those are the days gone. Okay, people want to know what are you doing now. So Twitter is now. So we are now.
Sure. And has your process of writing and composing and making videos changed now that you're making them for the internet?
I released 4 to 5 tracks and they've been very successful because you wonderful guys. People, I did Going to the Gym, I did Chicken Fried Rice, and I did Mere Karan Arjun Aayenge recently. And very soon now I'm giving a break for a month and a half. Haters rap, the hardcore haters rap. It's going to be fun rap.
the haters, like
It's
a
called
rap
haters
for
rap.
haters.
Yeah, for haters. Everybody can be a hater actually.
Is that song inspired by Twitter?
No, not by Twitter. It's fun. People, they say, he hates you or you hate me or she hates you, whatever, So I thought it's a common, normal song, rapping, lot of rapping in that, or hardcore rapping. Tiki tiki tai ta tai tai ta tum tum paka chiki pai pa pai pai pa pum ta paka ta pipa ta ta ripa chikam pa tum ching pam pam.
Amazing.
Hey, 1 second, I can do that. No, I'm just kidding.
This is Baba
That's
Sehgal
awesome.
mantra.
That was all the works of Shakespeare in Swahili.
Shakespeare really fast.
But it's it's a stress buster. So,
true.
instead of standing against the wall with 2 hands and shouting, it's better use your Twitter handle and release all your tweets.
But it's so true. It is a stress buster. I used to watch television before, but now it's just scrolling through tweets.
Yeah.
We've reached a point where instead of watching TV before you go to sleep, we just keep scrolling. So I think that's great.
Totally.
But it's an itinerary for most of the guys. Some people post their first class pictures, sitting in a first class, very good. I'm going to San Francisco from here, this airlines, this first class ticket and all, So I think they should stop or they should continue.
Tiki tiki tai tai.
Jiggy bye.
Jose, you brought up TV, which is obviously something you spent years and years working in.
I know, just give me a moment. Yeah, what about television?
How is your thought process different when you're making things for the internet?
The internet is a lot like radio in terms of it lets you be yourself. At least in my experience, television you get to be yourself, but then it's within a box. The producer wants something, the show needs something specific. While on Twitter, you can completely choose what you want to do. It can be completely you. You don't have to worry about lighting and makeup, and that's a huge thing for me. So, so I embraced the internet because it accepted my face the way it is without makeup. And so yeah, I think in that sense, the internet just surpasses television in every single way. They work really well together, but the internet just goes far ahead in terms of feedback is instant. If something you made sucks, you'll know immediately. If it's good, you'll also know immediately. But most of all, I find that the internet lets you be yourself. As long as you don't tweet anything about the government, or you don't say
anything that's meaningful, basically. You can't.
Yeah.
And one thing Twitter is known to do is sort of release new features every so often. They're constantly tweaking their setup. They're constantly trying to make it easier and funner for people like you guys, right?
Yeah,
what do you want to see? What do you want them to do?
I remember when Twitter was just text,
Yeah.
and now there's barely text.
Yeah.
Everything is like a meme or a video or a vine or just something else constantly.
Yeah. What do you want them to change?
I want more retweets. If somebody can.
Yeah.
Is there
There's
a
a way.
feature?
More followers.
Excuse me, anybody?
I think way too many people are verified now. So then now there has to be an extreme verified, which is like 3 tick marks or something
Very
like that.
verified.
Like how cops have the stars on their bed. Like there needs to be that. Like you need to earn some stuff now.
Like how verified
Yeah,
are
like
you?
how verified are you? I am bro. Like super.
I'm mad verified.
Super verified.
And different colors, blue, green, red,
Yeah.
Yes.
This verified thing has wasted so much of my time. It's not even funny. I got verified sometime back. I think it was by mistake. I don't know who here, whose fault it was. No, you cannot now. It's mine. It's my blue tick. But because of this verified thing, I found out that KRK was looking for my number. Okay. Yes, I know. It sounds funny, but it's really traumatic. So he was looking for my number. He called a whole bunch of people.
Because he's not verified?
Because he's not verified.
Right.
He's still not verified. So he sends me a message saying, "Bhai, tu verified kaise ho gaya? Mere ko bhi bata." So I replied to him saying, I have no idea, quite frankly, how this happened. I think it was a mistake.
You should have messed with him right there. Like Saturday ko nahana mat, and like given him stuff to do, which becomes really like
But
sacrifice 3 cats and like.
Look at what happened. So I told him, I said, look, you're going to get a link in your direct messages, which will tell you that, hey, Twitter wants to verify you. You click on that, you put some information in, and then you'll be verified. So I guess the wonderful people on the internet saw this, and people started sending him Trojans and like fake links. Yeah, dude. And then that's not all. So then somebody hacked his freaking account, and then he started telling people that I hacked his account. He was like, that guy, he hacked my account, he is an asshole.
You should have just stuck with troll this thing.
I know.
Sir, come on, sir, you have to microwave your ass on Tuesday between 7 o'clock. I think one thing what's happened on Twitter now, which I'm assuming it's positive, but there's someone who makes jokes. Like now you can't, the manual RT has disappeared now. Now you have to quote a tweet, which is really sad because fake RTing people was so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I could fake RT the Prime Minister tweeting to Amit Shah saying, bro, kya kar raha hai Saturday ko? Like that was way more fun. And now you have to stick to the original and keep the information verified. That sucks ass.
I think this is why they removed that feature.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
I think you are the reason
Yeah,
they got
maybe.
rid of it. How are we doing on time? Amazing.
That's good, that's good.
Okay, cool. So that's just about enough time. Do any of you have questions? Like I said, this is an insane amalgamation of people. Please.
I just feel like right before this we had Sabha talk about like something really meaningful.
And here we are talking
And
about...
here we are tiki
With
tai tai.
cats.
Like it's... I feel really bad. Alright, no one has questions. Thank you very much, you guys.
They're like, so are you doing anything meaningful? Do anything that is creating impact on the world? No? All right.
Mr. Sehgal, I will call you Baba at some point.
Yes,
I just
yes,
can't
yes,
do
you
it
can
yet.
call
I'm
me Mr.
sorry.
Sehgal, it's fine.
Okay, alright. Do you have any final parting words?
Parting words? Why should I have any
I
parting
mean,
words?
we're getting off stage.
We
That's
just
We're leaving,
started.
that's why.
Parting rap?
Parting rap,
yes,
please.
I'll sing a few lines of my 2 decades old rap.
एक मिनट वो पेरिस्कोप करा राहिल.
Periscope? So people will abuse me in real time?
They'll
Yeah.
abuse him. So
They'll
it's
abuse
okay.
Rahil.
Guys,
Yeah,
this is next level.
Yeah.
Rahil is periscoping, and we have
Yeah.
he's periscoping him from behind. It's like a that
There are
sounded
literally
wrong.
3 Twitter employees
मतलब-
standing there.
बैंडविड्थ की कोई
Periscope
कदर ही नहीं है
नहीं
यार दुनिया में.
थोड़ा उसका उनका टकला को फ्रेम करो.
You come and stand here, brother, because side pose doesn't look good. Front pose ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है.
इसीलिए रविशंकर प्रसाद बैन करने वाला है.
Rahil's quickly going through all the mentions, all the abuse, and then he'll start periscope.
What do you want me to do? Rap? Tanmay is
Rishi,
also
2
rap.
phones.
Tanmay, you can also rap.
They'll beatbox for you.
Okay.
Sir,
That's all we can do.
I will be.
This is
I'm going to be doing some few rap lines, which was done first video on India and on MTV. That was I'm talking about 23 years back. 23 years back, which won the Los Angeles Award from India, from Indian Ocean, whatever you call. Not that Indian Ocean band.
Yeah.
They named it as Indian Ocean. This is called Dil Dhadke. This is a rap very. So I'm going to do few
Calm
lines
down,
of that
guys.
rap, which was done 23 years back, and thanks to Twitter,
See,
which I'm going to rapping
yeah.
about chicken fried rice.
Yeah. Infotainment.
Infotainment, yeah. कोई नहीं बोलता है मैं भी नहीं बोलूंगा ये तूने कैसे जाना मेरे यार हे हे देखो देखो कैसे चलती है वो हसीना जैसे चले है को हिरनी की चाल मैं तो जाऊंगा पकड़ूंगा छेड़ूंगा गाऊंगा बोलेगी वो ना 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 हे ना 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 बड़ा मजा आएगा वो आगे आगे दौड़ेगी मैं पीछे पीछे जाऊंगा छाऊंगा बाह मरोड़ूंगा और काजल भी चुराऊंगा जुल्फें खोलूंगा और चुटकी बजाऊंगा फिर भी वो बोलेगी 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 ना 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 दिल धड़के मेरा दिल धड़के कोई नहीं जाने मेरा दिल धड़के दिल धड़के मेरा दिल धड़के कोई नहीं जाने बाबा क्यों भड़के हे यू गौर से जरा तू मेरी बातें सुन लव रोज रोज आती मुझे कई टेलीफोन कॉल्स एक बोलती डार्लिंग आई लव यू दूसरी बोलती डार्लिंग आई केयर फॉर यू तीसरी बोलती डार्लिंग आई रियली मिस यू उफ 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 कभी लाती कोई मेरे लिए वेज बर्गर कभी लाती कोई मेरे लिए हैमबर्गर आते रहना मेरे यहाँ वो कह के चली जाती मुझे करके इशारा मेरे घर चली आती मेरी मम्मी को बुलाती मेरे डैडी को जगाती तौबा तौबा मेरे पीछे कैसे जाती सारी मुझे गॉड ही बचाए मुझे राह दिखलाए अच्छे अच्छे लोगों से ही मेरा परिचय कराए गोरी गोरी गालों वाली नीली नीली आंखों वाली देखा तूने मेरे पीछे कितनी पड़ी है कोई लंदन की है कोई पेरिस की है कोई चाइना की है कोई मुंबई की है पर दिल नहीं धक धक करता इनके लिए ये तो बस तेरे पीछे पड़ा और बोलता है क्या 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 दिल धड़के मेरा दिल धड़के कोई नहीं जाने बाबा क्यों धड़के आई एम नॉट टेलिंग लाइज मैं हूं बंदा वेरी नाइस फ्रैंकली मैं तो बोलूं मुझे पसंद है ओनली I am not telling lies मैं हूं बंदा very nice frankly मैं तो बोलूं मुझे पसंद है only chicken fried rice chicken fried rice chicken fried rice chicken fried rice I am not telling lies मैं हूं बंदा very nice frankly मैं तो बोलूं मुझे पसंद है only chicken fried rice thank you so much
सब साइड बी करते सर.
This is like it sounds like Saturday afternoon at my house where chicken.
Yes,
Sorry,
yes.
that's terrible.
but this happens every
My
day in
wife
my
fights
house
with me just like this.
Thank you all so much. This was maybe the most incredible panel of all time. Thank you all so
Thank you.
much.